To send an automated clearinghouse payment, also known as an ACH transfer, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to gather the necessary information from the recipient, including their name, bank account number, and the bank's routing number. The routing number is a unique 9-digit code that identifies the bank and can be found on the bottom left corner of a check or on the bank's website. Once you have this information, you can initiate the ACH transfer. You can do this through your online banking platform, mobile banking app, or by visiting a bank branch in person. You will need to provide the recipient's information and the amount you want to transfer, and then confirm the transaction. It is essential to double-check the recipient's information to avoid any errors or delays in the transfer process. ACH transfers typically take a few business days to process, so plan accordingly. It is also important to note that ACH transfers have limits on the amount that can be transferred in a single transaction, and some banks may charge fees for this service. To ensure a smooth transaction, make sure the recipient's account is active and has sufficient funds to receive the transfer. In addition, you should be aware of the different types of ACH transfers, including direct deposit and direct payment. Direct deposit is used for transactions such as payroll and tax refunds, while direct payment is used for transactions such as bill payments and person-to-person transfers. To summarize, sending an ACH transfer requires gathering the recipient's information, initiating the transfer through your bank, and confirming the transaction. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can ensure a successful and efficient ACH transfer.